Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-Lake Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:16 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles northwest of Kenosha, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 10 p.m. At 9:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitewater, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Mukwonago, East Troy, North Prairie, Palmyra, Potter Lake, Rome, Eagle, Hebron, and Troy Center. This includes the following location: Ottawa Lake Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.